Every Child Matters survey is one of the times of the year that I most look forward to, because we find out in Sheffield what our children and young people are thinking about the lives that they're leading and about the services that are being offered to them. And that insight from children and young people can then drive our priorities. That's why we've got trying to reduce bullying as one of our priorities across the city of Sheffield, because children and young people told us that was one of their priorities. And it's not just what we do across the whole city of Sheffield, it's also what local areas, what happens in local areas at community assemblies, take account of the particular needs of children and young people in the local areas. Also, the Every Child Matters survey is very important for schools. It's an important way in which they can find out what children and young people attending their schools think about their education and respond to those perceptions. And that's important for those schools in meeting their inspection requirements to listen to the views of children and young people. So thank you very much for participating in this survey. The results are very important. Thank you.
For me, as Cabinet Member for Children's Services, the Every Child Matters consultation is very important. It's an annual snapshot of the views of children and young people, around about 7, 8, 9,000 a year. Getting their views, not just in terms of their experience of school and education, but of the whole experience of growing up in Sheffield. So it's the range of subjects. It's about opportunities in terms of improving their health. It's about their activities, whether they're involved in sports or dance clubs or things like that. Clearly very important to us in terms of how we make sure that growing up in Sheffield is as good as it can be. So it's the positive side of things, it's the enjoyable things in their lives, and the things that could be better. So yes, we do want to know the good stories, but we also want to know the problems. So if there are issues around bullying, we want to know about it so that we can take action. It's a really important piece of work. It feeds in to the 0 to 19 plan, which is the overriding plan for all activities across Sheffield, not just from the City Council, but from our colleagues in the NHS and our colleagues in the police service and the fire service. So it's all the services across Sheffield doing their best to deliver services for children and young people. And the purpose of this consultation is to make sure that at the heart of it is the views of children and young people, so that we are doing not what we think is right, but what we're guided by the experience of children and young people across Sheffield.
Sheffield a better place for you to live?
Yes. I talk to somebody else. No way.
Okay, the Every Child Matters consultation has been very important to South Yorkshire Police, and in particular obviously the focus here in Sheffield. What it firstly allows us to do, the information contained within the actual document, allows us to actually business plan for our own children and young people strategy for South Yorkshire Police. So that focuses on police officers engaging with young people across Sheffield. It includes all of our support staff and police community support officers, what they need to do, what they need to concentrate on, what the main key issues are for young people. But also it allows the police officers that are based around schools, youth centres, to actually focus on things that matter to young people. That allows South Yorkshire Police to hopefully improve the trust and confidence of young people, and also, of course, their parents. So it's very, very important to us to undertake this piece of work and ensure that we listen to the voice of young people.
The results from the Every Child Matters survey have been used by NHS Sheffield Public Health Team generally to inform and target priorities around the health of children and young people. In the Healthy Schools team, it's been particularly useful to help support schools in achieving the new Healthy Schools enhancement model. In this model, schools have had to choose priorities specifically using data around the health of their pupils. And the Every Child Matters survey has helped them to find out more about the children and young people in their schools. For example, the survey has told them about bullying experiences of their pupils and substance misuse. So the schools have been able to use this data to compare themselves to the city average and to be able to target interventions as a result of this.
Last year, around Sheffield, lots of schools did a questionnaire about Health and Safety Week.
The results showed here in Greenhill we need to eat more healthy foods.
So the school council decided to do a snack swap. This is a snack swapper and here's how it works. Instead of this, try this. For example, instead of having crisps, you could try rice cakes.
What did you like best about Snack Swap?
Trying new things.
Are you going to eat more healthily in the future?
Yes, of course I am, after what they said at Snack Swap.
Do you think snack swap was a good idea?
Yes, I really did, because it got everyone involved in eating healthily.